Hi everyone, my name is Ana Luis Sancho Liao, Malangkit, and I am Nelia's only daughter. Good afternoon, relatives and friends. Thank you for attending this memorial tribute dedicated to our late mother, Nelia de los Reyes Sancho. Today marks her first death anniversary. I am here to talk to you all about her as a mother and a grandmother. I am grateful that she was my mother. She lived simply, lived her life honorably, and used her time to empower women, help the needy, help the community, and tried to make the world a better place than when she first entered it. Aside from being a good role model, Nanay gave us tough love. Me particularly because she always pushed me to earn my own keep. There were no extras. Kung ano-anong racket ang pinapasok ko nung college. Kasi pag walang pasok, walang allowance. Buti na lang, medyo namanan natin ang kagandahan niya. Nag-promo girl ako during school breaks for different brands. Umi-extra sa pelikula at sa commercial or nagvo-voice over talent para may pang-load ng cellphone at may panggas. She taught me how to be independent. Sanay ako mag-isa. Lagi kasi siyang busy. So, yung mga needs ko in school, ako na ang nag-aasikaso. My parents separated when I was 15. So, I had to learn things by myself because she was busy changing the world and putting food on the table. In fairness to her, she prioritized her education and our health. Looking back, na-realize ko napaka-stressful noon kasi laging nako-confine si Kuya AK sa hospital because of his asthma. Buti na lang din, my father took good care of us so she could continue her work and advocacy despite the challenges in raising us. Sabi nga niya, magtipid na sa lahat ng bagay, wag lang sa health and education. Which is true, and I also practice today with my children. I accompanied her in some of her work-related trips abroad using the free miles she accumulated from attending different speaking engagements worldwide. That was our ultimate bonding. Finally, kahit papano, na-experience ko din makasama ang nanay ko kahit na busy siya. Meron akong bits and pieces of happy memories traveling with her in my core memory. As a grandmother, she was doting, generous, and kakampi always ng mga apo niya. My children know they can always go to Lola if my husband and I say no to something. She was a wonderful mother-in-law. Napakabait at generous niya sa asawa ko at kay Kay. They are treated like her own son and daughter. Yung mga times na hindi niya kami nagabayan sa paglaki, bawing-bawi sa mga apo niya. Kapag may budget, gusto niyang magbakasyon at pasayahin ng mga apo niya. If one of us gets sick, she reminds us to have ourselves checked kaagad. That health is always a priority, especially with the children. I miss her so much. I miss talking to her. I miss her voice. I kept on thinking I should have hugged her more often. Kahit na di na siya mahilig magpayakap sa akin. Gusto niya, mga apo niya lang yayakap sa kanya. I should have told her that everything she did was enough and that we are grateful that she was our mother and the grandmother of our children. Nanay, if you can see us from above, we are okay. Life is not the same without you, and there is still pain in our hearts. But we try to find the good in each day, just as you have taught us. We honor and love you. Thank you all for listening.